Welcome to Understand the Math.
For these examples, we're asked to classify the angle as acute. Let's go ahead and let's underline that. I always encourage you to underline the parts of the problem that you're being asked to do. So we're going to label it as acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex. So for the first example problem, theta is given as 60 degrees. So the first thing you want to do is you want to say, okay, where is theta in terms of 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and so forth. So we notice that theta is between 0 degrees is less than 60 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So we can say that it is an acute angle. The second one, our angle is 225 degrees. So we say, okay, 225 degrees is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So this one is a reflex angle. I always think that's the hardest one. The third one, angle ABC, is 135 degrees. So 135 degrees lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And because of that, this angle is called an obtuse angle. And then number 4 is 90 degrees. So we know right away that is a right angle. And the last one, beta, is 180 degrees. And so that means beta is a straight angle.
I hope that you now have a better understanding of how to classify angles as acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.